Meaning of dotage.
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 Dotage. Dotage refers to the period of old age when a person's mental faculties are in decline, resulting in forgetfulness, confusion, and other cognitive impairments. This term is often used to describe the state of elderly individuals who have lost some or all of their mental acuity. As a result, they may struggle with basic tasks such as keeping track of time, recognizing people, or remembering important details. Dotage is a natural part of the aging process and can be managed through activities that promote brain health, including exercise, social engagement, and stimulation of the mind.